2014 Board of Directors. And to give that, we are going to request the presence of the Board of Trustees, Chairman of 2014, Mr. Adolfo S. Muga, Jr.
Welcome the 2014 Board of Directors. President B.J. Cabaya Jr. or Benjamin Cabaya Jr. Mary Grace C. Mendoza. S. Mendoza. BB for Education. Leo Narito. BB for Membership. Roy, President, VP for Finance. Van Eric Rodriguez, VP for Engineering. Cecilio Lungkay, Auditor. Mason Calibo, PRO. George Nathan Amores, Secretary. Noel Garcia, Board of Director, Sport Chairman. Norma Doble, Board of Director. Elinda Anita, Board of Director. Armando Banan, Board of Director. Leobert Canales, Board of Director. Ronel Papico, Board of Director. J.P. Cruz, Board of Director. Antonio C. Galleta, Board of Director. Ladies and gentlemen and fellow Comsophians, these are our Board of Directors 2014. Board of Directors 2014, as an elected officer, today I request everyone please follow up after me. And you also will raise your right hand. I state your name. After having been elected as member of the Board of Directors of the Computer Society of Filipinos International, Saudi Arabia, or known as Comsophil, and have been affirmed to serve as say the position. Thereof, do hereby solemnly swear that I shall discharge all my duties and responsibilities attached to my position and such other functions incidental to my office, to uphold the fine traditions of the society, to obey the provisions of its constitution and bylaws, policies and code of ethics, to attain its objectives to the end, and to serve the best interest of the society, in particular to the Filipino expatriate community. In general, through the application of computer and information technology. So help me God. Subscribe and sworn to this 28th of February. We are welcome the 2014 Board of Directors. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. As we continue your volunteerism for the benefit of our members in society, according to your position, congratulations. Good luck to all of you.